Hi, I don't like to start my videos with a swear word, but here goes. Tax. Sorry for the attempted humour. If you're paying tax, it's likely because you're making a profit, you're generating an income. Now, the reality is, if that's you, because you're running a business and you're reasonably successful, well, that's great. Now, the issue is not so much the paying of the tax, but how you manage it. Now, we all know that there's the income tax you have to pay at the end of the year, and also the income tax by way of pay-as-you-go instalments during the year, each quarter. There's GST you'll pay quarterly or monthly, depending on your timing. There's pay-as-you-go withholding, and there's other statutory obligations, superannuation, work cover, payroll tax, etc., etc. It just goes on. Now, the issue is not the fact that you need to pay tax if you make money, but how you manage it. And how are you managing your tax? Obviously, we need to make sure that your business is set up so it's paying the least amount of tax possible and not $1 more than you have to. And the structure of the business is important, but also the way you distribute, the way you use that money, the way you take it out of your business, remembering that a company or a trust is a separate entity. So without getting bogged down with all the detail and the technicality, the reality is there is ways to manage it and manage it well. Now, having said all that, then you need to understand that you are going to have to pay, and managing the payment of it, being on top of it. You obviously have to pay all your suppliers, you have to pay all your staff, your contractors, you have to pay your phone bills, electricity, etc. Tax is just another bill. So understanding that and planning for it and managing it is important. Now, if you're struggling with some cash flow, even though you might be profitable, that's understandable too. Again, there are ways to manage that. There are payment plans you can put in place with the ATO. Get on the front foot. Don't ignore it. Don't think it's going to go away. Don't think they're not going to chase it, because they are. And they're going to do so aggressively, and they are doing so aggressively right now. So I don't want you to be in that position. So let's get on the front foot. Let's manage it. Let's first set things up so you're paying the least amount possible. And that way, you're going to be a lot better off. Don't let this get on top of you. You need to get on top of it. Okay? People like us are here to help. We're passionate about helping business owners to pay the least amount of tax possible, end up with more money in their pocket to live the lifestyle they want. That's what we're about. That's what we do every day. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for listening. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.